Welcome to Teacher Mathematics. In this video, we are to solve log to the base 2 x squared minus 5x plus 5 greater than 0. So let's see how we are going to solve this question. Now, by definition, if log p to the base x is equal to r, then it implies that p is equal to x raised to the power r. So this is what we are going to use. So from the equation above, we can say that x squared minus 5x plus 5 greater than 2 raised to the power 0. Now, any number raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So we are going to have x squared minus 5x plus 5 greater than 1. And we can bring this one to this side, making x squared minus 5x plus, so 5 minus 1 is 4 greater than 0. This is quadratic inequality. So there is a way we go about quadratic inequality. So we have x squared minus 5x plus 4 greater than 0. So what we need to do is to factorize this. We change this one to equal sign. So x squared minus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. And then the factors of 4, when we add, we get minus 5. When we multiply, we get 4. So that is going to be minus 1 and then minus 4. So we break the middle term into those factors. So x squared minus x minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then use method of grouping, which is so x minus 1 minus 4, x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 and then x minus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to 1. And then x minus 4 is equal to 0 implies that x is equal to 4. Okay, now these are the end points. Now if you have a quadratic inequality and the coefficient of x squared is positive, then we are going to have a minimum curve like this. Yes, these are the points where the curve cuts the x-axis, so we put those points there. So 1 and then 4. Good. Now for quadratic equality, where you have greater than or equal to, so one of the values, so the solution will be somewhere here, and then because of the inequality sign. So your solution will then be x less than 1 or x greater than 4. Let me explain here. When the inequality sign is greater than or equal to, this is how the solution will be. So let me add this one. If it is less than, so when you draw your curve, and then you know your points. So let's say AB, right? If it is less than, then the solution is going to be below. The whole thing is, if it is greater than, then the solution is going to be above the x-axis. This is the x-axis. That's why we choose this. The solution is above the x-axis. And then if the inequality sign is less than, then the solution is going to be below the x-axis. So that's why we have this solution. Because it was greater than, then the solution will be above the x-axis. Yes, as simple as that. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.